Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to form a limited liability company, or LLC for short, and get it officially registered in your state. Now, the LLC registration process does vary a bit from state to state, so if you need a video tailored specifically to your state, let us know in the comments down below and I'll be happily creating one for you. But in today's video, we'll be showing the process for the state of Illinois as an example to demonstrate the general process and requirements. Forming an official LLC gives your business credibility, legal protections, and tax advantages. It's the most popular business structure for small businesses and startups. So now let's go through the step-by-step process of actually forming one. The first step is that you need to choose a business name. You'll need to pick an original name for your LLC. You want something unique and memorable, make sure to add LLC or L.L.C or Limited Liability Company to the end. Set your state records to ensure it is not already taken. Next up, you'll complete and submit what's called Articles of Organization or a Certificate of Formation to your state. This filing officially registers your LLC, and each state has its own forms. So for example, in Illinois, you would visit the Secretary of State website and fill out their standard LLC registration form. Just make sure that all the required info is accurate. And after that, we will need to appoint a registered agent. For this, you must designate a registered agent, which is a person or a service that receives important legal documents on the behalf of your LLC. This could be yourself or a hired service, just be careful with who you put as a registered agent. After that, we'll be creating an operating agreement. To draft an operating agreement, laying out the ownership stakes, rules, member responsibilities, and more in your LLC, it's like your company constitution. And finally, we want to obtain an Employer Identification Number or EIN from the IRS. This number identifies your business for tax purposes. The EIN process is different than the LLC one because the EIN is the same for every state. However, the LLC is different for each and every single one as they have different forms and so on. If you want to apply easily for an LLC regardless of your state, then I highly suggest that you check the link in our description for a seamless process with INCfile. You'll be able to form your LLC application regardless of your state using this software extremely easily. And that really covers the core steps for forming an LLC. I hope that this overview was helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions, and thank you for watching this video.